Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we are discussing about various control structure and function. And in this particular video, we are first discussing about the Python if-else statement. So here we take some examples. So in the first example, we are introducing the variable I, which is set to the value 20, and then the if statement checks if I is less than 15 or less than 15. Since I is greater than 15, the condition evaluates to false and the program proceeds to the else block. And in the if block, since if condition is false, the program skips the statements within if block and print I is smaller than 15 and print um, I am in if block. And in the uh, within the else block, the program executes the statements within the else block, that is print I is greater than 15 and print I am in else block. So after executing either if or else block, the program proceeds the statement outside the conditional blocks, like print I am not in if and not in else block. So the output of the program gives us uh, so so basically the output of the program, which gives us basically prints I is greater than 15, I am in else block, and I am not in if and not in else block. So the first example, we saw some if else statements. And next we will see some examples on Python nested if else statements. So here we basically introduce the variable I, which is set to the value 10, and the outer if statement checks if I is equal to 10. Since this condition evaluates to true, so the program enters to the outer if block. And inside the outer if block, there's another if statement. And in the nested conditional block, I mean the nested if statement checks if I is less than 15. Since I is indeed less than 15, the nested if block is entered. And in the within the nested if block, inside the inside the nested if block, there's another condition check if I is less than 12. Since I is 10, which is less than 12, and the nested if block executes printing I is smaller than 12 too. So and basically the within the outer else block, since there is no else block associated with the if nested if statement, after executing the nested if block, the program continues executing within the outer else block. However, in this example, there is no statement associated with the outer else block. So the output of the program basically uh, prints I is smaller than 15 and I is smaller than 12 too. In the next example, we will see the if, elif, and else. And here we introduce the variable I, which is set to the value 20. And the if statement checks if I is equal to 10. Since I is not 10, the block is skipped. The elif statement checks if I is equal to 15. Since I is not 15, the block is also skipped. The next if elif statement checks if I is equal to 20. Since I is indeed 20, this block is executed printing I is 20. The else statement catches any cases not covered by the previous conditions. Since I has been identified as 20, this block is not executed. So here in the output, we basically prints the I is 20. And in this tutorial, so in this tutorial we basically saw the three if else statements. I mean the only if else statement, the nested if else statement, and if elif else statement. Thank you guys.